how are you? Welcome to another Wednesday workout of the week. I did a little workout in Iceland. I'm gonna show that in a second, but I didn't take the time to actually explain the workout, so I better do that now so you can join along and do the workout with me. So the workout is 5 rounds of 5 push-ups, 10 lunges and 15 air squats. So again, it's something without any equipment that you can easily do anywhere, anytime. And there's some scaling options as well. So for the push-up, I want you to go all the way to the ground, full range of motion, so no push-ups like halfway down, halfway up. If you find it difficult to make sure you do the full movement, a good rule is to do hand release push-ups. Some people say it's harder, but I actually don't agree, because you get a little momentum when you push yourself up again, and it also ensures that you're actually doing the full range of motion. If you can't do a full push-up, or you can do it but struggle to do multiple reps, then you can scale the push-up by doing the movement from the knees. So everything else stays the same, but you just do it from the knees instead of the toes. Then for the lunges, you keep your torso upright, and basically you just step forward and make sure that you touch your knee lightly to the ground before stepping back. I usually put my hands on my shoulders to help me keep upright. Then the last movement is the squat. What you want to look out for is that you keep your weight on your heels, so you don't go with your weight onto your toes. And you want to keep pushing out your knees, so your knees go over the line of your toes and not inward. But the full range of motion would be hip crease lower than the knee. Obviously not everyone can do this with full form, because you need the right mobility. And so if you feel that you're getting out of balance, you might fall down, or your weight is getting too much to the toes, please don't force the movements going all the way down, but just go as deep as you can go with good form. Those are the 3 movements. I did 5 rounds at the same spot, and then I actually started moving around a bit because I had a drive going to the airport and I was just taking in all the beautiful scenery, and I actually started doing 1 round in different locations. So this video is going to be a cut of the different locations I did it at. you enjoyed this video. If you do like it, please hit that like button. And the next video will be my vlog, which will involve a lot of Icelandic stuff, like the daughter. The workout is up there if you want to see it, and lots of other fun stuff that happened in Iceland. See you next time.